All right, starting our next video, doing the same kind of thing. Uh, we have 8 divided by 3. So, no 10s here, only 1s, so 8 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's my 8 ones. And I'm going to put it into 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. There's my 3 parts that I need. Okay, now I want to split them evenly. So I have my 3 groups, and I'm going to just start kind of giving them out to each group. So take away 1, add 1 here. Take away 1, add 1 here. Take away 1, add 1 here. I'm going to keep doing that until I run out. Okay, so take away, take away, take away. Now, if I distribute these, I have 1 here and 1 here, but I wouldn't have enough to go to the 3. So I'm going to box them. That's my remainder. So 8 divided by 3 is going to be 2. Remainder 2. So 8 ones divided by 3 ones is 2, remainder 2. So taking a look at our algorithm, 8 goes on the inside, 3 goes on the outside. How many groups of 3 can you make out of 8? So this is why also last week knowing your multiples is super important. Because if you know your multiples, you got 3, 6. That's what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, my next multiple is 3, 6, 9. We don't have 9. We only have 8, which means we can't go over. So it would be 3, 6. So how many groups is that? 1, 2. 1, 2, which is what we came up with. 3 times 2 is 6, which is the total amount that's in here. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2, remainder 2. Okay, now check our work. 2 times 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, plus the remainder. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. So our answer is 2, remainder 2, and we checked it by doing 2 times 3, which is 6, plus the remainder, which is 8. Let's take a look at another one. All right, here's our next problem. 68 divided by 3. So this time I do have 10s. How many 10s do I have? 6 10s. So I'm going to put 6 10s over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 6 10s. Add my 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 68. Okay, and I'm dividing 68 into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, when we are dividing, we start with the largest place value. So because I have 10s, I'm going to start off dividing my 10s. Okay, so I'm going to divide them out evenly. Okay, so I'm going to take a 10, add it to this group. Take a 10, add it to this group. Take a 10, add it to this group. So far, we have distributed 3 10s, which would be a total of 30. Okay, now let's keep going. Take a 10, add it there. Take a 10, add it there. Take a 10, add it there. So 2 10s is equal to 20, right? 2 times 10 is 20. So now let's distribute our 1s. Let's divide our 1s into 3 groups. So I have a total of 8 1s. So take a 1, take a 1, take a 1. Got to keep it going. Take a 1, take a 1, take a 1. Same thing that we kind of had before. We have a remainder 2. Okay? So I'm going to look at this. And I'm going to say I have 2 10s. And I have 2 1s. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 1 is 2. That would be 22. Makes sense. 22. Okay? Now the only thing I can't forget is my remainder. So I have 22 remainder 2. 22 remainder 2. So looking at our algorithm, we have 68 divided by 3. So just like we did the tens place over here, we divided the 6 tens first. That's what we do over here. We just look at the 6 tens. Well, how many groups of 3 can you make out of 6? Well, we just showed that. 1, 2. Think about your multiples of 3. 3, 6. Exactly 2 groups. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And we bring down our 8. So now we're going to the ones place, just like we did second. How many groups of 3 can you make out of 8? 3, 6. Only 2 groups. 3 groups would be 9, and that would be too much. So 3 times 2 was 6, and 8 minus 6 was 2. So you had 22 remainder 2. Just like we said, 22 remainder 2. Let's check it real quick. So we use our answer, 22, and we multiply it by 3, and then we're going to add our remainder. So 22 times 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 68. So this is our answer. This is checking our answer. This is our actual answer. So our answer here, our quotient, was 22 remainder 2. So we're just going to look at a bigger number. Now, because I want you to realize that we don't want to draw 89 for our array. That's why we're doing our place value disk today. So I've got 8 tens and 9 ones. So I'm going to draw 8 tens over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I'm going to go to 9. Okay. 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So I'm going to start off. Remember, I didn't mean to say I can't. I'm going to go starting off with my tens place. But before we do that, how many groups are we breaking 89 into? Well, we were breaking it into 2 groups. So I'm going to put it into 2 groups. There's 1. There's 2. 2 groups. Okay? So I'm going to distribute my 8 tens into 2 groups. Remember, I'm going to do it evenly as long as I can. So take away a 10, add a 10. Take away a 10, add a 10. Take away, add. Take away, add. Take away, add. Take away, add it. Take away, add it. Take away, add it. So 8 tens would be 80. So let's see if we still have 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Yes, they're just into 2 different groups. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my 9 ones. And again, I'm going to divide them into 2 groups evenly as much as I can. So take away 1, add 1. Take away 1, add 1. Okay, so I have 1 left over, so that's going to be my remainder. So my answer is 4 tens and 4 ones, which would be 44. Remainder 1 left over. Let's check it. 44 times 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. And then 88 plus 1 is 89. So that makes sense. Okay? All right. That's going to be our last review one for today, because that's what your work is on tomorrow, or for today. Tomorrow's lesson is going to be a little bit different. We're going to have to think about what we're going to have to do, but we're still going to be using place value disks, but you're going to be with Mr. Jensen. So please make sure that you've done all your work leading up to this. It really is really helpful if you've done Monday, Tuesdays, and then today's work before we meet again on Thursday. Because math builds on each other, okay? So this lesson is going to build on tomorrow's lesson. So make sure that you come with questions if you have questions about anything or you don't understand something. So that way when we meet tomorrow, you can have those questions prepared and ready. And that way I kind of know also what you need help with.